YouTube can be a really great tool for educators because there's a lot of instructional videos on here you can find for your students, but it's also a great place to host videos that you create that you want your students to view. Now, many of you know how to create videos, and you can insert them into whatever means you use for digital instruction. The problem is a lot of the tools that we use for digital instruction, such as OneNote, if you insert a video that you made, which is usually in an MPEG-4 format, the size of those videos can really slow down your digital curriculum that you are using, particularly in OneNote. So it's better to actually have your videos hosted elsewhere. And when you host them on YouTube, for example, your video gets a unique website and a unique URL, which you can then give to the students through your digital curriculum. So it's pretty easy to actually do this. I'm going to walk you through the process. The first thing is to sign into YouTube. Now, if you already have a Gmail account, you can just sign right into it and you can get started right away. Google does own YouTube, so in order to actually use this, you do have to have a Gmail account. So if you don't have one, you can create one here. And if you do have one, you can just sign right in. So once you've logged into YouTube, you'll know you're in because you should see an icon over here, or the sign in button should just be gone. So now you're ready to do your upload of your video. So what you're going to do is come over to the upper right hand side over here where this little camera icon is, and you're going to click it and you're going to choose upload video. This is going to bring up a new screen where you're going to be able to select the video that you want to upload. So you do have to have this video stored on your computer somewhere and know where it is. So you're going to click here so that we can select a file on our computer to upload. And this should pop up a new window so that you can choose wherever your video is that you want to upload. So we're just going to look for the video that we're going to do. So once you navigate to wherever your movie clip is, you're going to click on it and you're going to click open. Depending on how long your video is, this could just take a few seconds or it might take a little bit longer. This is just a little quick test video. So you're going to put in the title of your video. You do not have to put a description in, but you can. And then you're going to click next. There are some new things within YouTube that they are trying to protect children from inappropriate content. So you will get this option over here as to whether it's made for kids or not. So in this case, this one is made for staff. So I'm going to click no. And then you're going to click next. Video elements, you don't really have to put anything here. This is if you want to get fancy. So I'm just going to click next on this. Now, this is the part where you want to pay attention. So if you're making this video and you just want it to be available for your students and you don't want it searchable on YouTube, meaning if you put in a keyword in the title of whatever your YouTube video is and somebody does a search using that particular word, it could come up as in the list of videos that that person could look at. So that's when you would select public. But if you don't want anybody to really have access to this video, what you can do is select unlisted. And that means only the people that you provide the link to are actually going to be able to view this video. It will not be searchable in YouTube. Private is an option that you can choose, but if you choose private, the only way the person can view that video is by logging into YouTube, and not all of your students are going to have that capability. So unlisted is usually the one that I will use if I'm creating a video that I just want a specific set of people to look at and it's not really for the public viewing. So now I'm going to click save, and that's really it. Depending on the length of your video, the processing can sometimes take 30 seconds to a minute or two, depending on the traffic they have going there. But otherwise, it usually goes pretty quickly. And then what you can do to actually get the YouTube link is click on it, and it will open up in a new window. So here's my video here. The URL is up here in the address bar. So now I can copy this URL and then I can provide this URL anywhere, whether it's in a OneNote notebook or I post a link into Edmodo, whatever your digital curriculum delivery system is, you now have this link, and it's not going to hog up any space in any type of notebook or anything like that that could cause you problems down the line. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out.